Okay. Windows desktop background becomes black after becoming inactive for some time. I've experienced some issues lately when my PC runs in idle for some time or has been in sleep mode. I will come back to a desktop background and that still works, but looks quite off. Other applications are also still functioning. Oh, he had a picture. Okay, let's go back to the picture because that helps us remember. Oh, yeah. So he gets this black screen whenever his computer goes to sleep. Yeah, so it looks like a memory issue. Can be a GPU or CPU memory. How much memory does your PC have? When you have the problem, press Ctrl-Alt-Delete, then go to Task Manager and see how much memory you are utilizing. If the memory is very high, then it's most likely your problem. May need to stop a few programs and running in the background. Let us know. Maybe. I have 32 gigs of DDR5. Oh dear God. I haven't enabled XMP according to my own knowledge. Don't know if it has any influence. Regardless, when I'm gaming, I'm able to utilize a good amount of RAM without any troubles. And even after an intense gaming session for my PC, the issue doesn't appear. So I just find that kind of weird. Oh no, I don't. When idle on an empty desktop with no windows open, it'll run about 10 to 15% since there are some background applications and processes and doesn't seem to exceed any percentages. Gotcha. So this will most likely be sleep settings or power settings. So go to start, edit power plan, change from balanced to high performance. I think it's called high performance. Then hit edit and let me see, edit power plan. High performance, and then we want to go to the hard disk, then hit edit. I thought 16 gig was sufficient and a lot already. Yeah, no, he has a lot of RAM. I think at first I thought he was trolling, but it's not a RAM thing. His issue, him just basically telling me this part here makes me think that it's not a RAM issue. I think his issue is more so going to be that his computer is putting his components to sleep. Then hit edit, and every time I click on this, it goes away. And under hard disk, yeah, it's not waking up. Yeah, set the timer for 0 minutes, effectively turning it off. Change USB settings to disabled to change the USB settings to disabled. Change PCI Express link state. No, I can't see that. Link state power management to off. And let me see. I'm trying to see if I want to say display off. Then save and see if that resolves your issue. You can also set the turn off the display to never, but I will let that be a judgment call. Let me see if the GPU, let me check something real quick here. So I just want to go into device manager. I just want to see if the GPU actually does have that power management option. GPU properties. No, it doesn't. Okay, just making sure. And then let that be a judgment call. Yeah. So yeah, so this, it sounds like a power issue at this point because you don't have the issue when playing video games. On top of that, you have 32 gigs of memory, so I doubt that you're running out. I think in this particular situation here, it's just going to be power settings, and your power settings may be interfering with what's going on with your CPU. So whenever it tries to restore itself, it's a little laggy. So I think that may be your problem here. But let us know. Let us know how that goes. It's just you and us talk, or you and us. Okay, there we go. I know that sounds tacky as heck, but it's just us talking. So yeah, just let us know, and we can kind of go from there. But yeah, it seems more like a power issue at this point.